Mae'n really dda fi'n meddwl. Rhaid i fi prynu hyn. Sorry, fi wedi gweud I Sgorio I cael Tash TV a maen nhw wedi gweud o'r diwedd. Fi wedi cael sgwrs gyda un o'r ffrindiau gorau fi, Loren Dykes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Well done, Tash. Good girl.
Go on, and you have.
Hiya. Loren here.
So, Loren, on this lovely day, we're all here for one reason. 100 cap.
Yeah, one
for
reason,
Wales.
that's it. It's all about me.
Take us back to 07, 08, first cap, Holland.
Remember seeing my name on a board and thinking that, well, that must be a training sheet.
Obviously,
I thought that's a training sheet, that is. And the more I looked at it, I was like, that's not a training sheet. I just remember not being able to breathe for about 5 minutes. Yeah, I still remember it. Like, I can't remember games in between as well, but I can still remember my first debut. So, yeah.
Did you ever think you'd make 100?
I don't really think about it, though, do you? Do you know what I mean? It just kind of rolls from one game to the next. You only start really thinking about it when you get up to them sort of 95, 96 and you think, God, I'm close to getting there now, but I know it'll be a proud moment for my family.
So you've obviously encountered quite a lot of us, or quite a lot of characters.
Encountered.
That's quite a good word, I think.
Okay.
Who would you say is your favourite?
You're all my favourites.
Oh, look at that.
I couldn't choose. That would be horrible. Can you imagine?
We've all grown up together, I think.
There's a group of us, isn't there, that, like, I think we are all keeping on going for each other, you know, like, if it wasn't for you lot, like I said, I don't think I'd still be playing now, generally, truth be told. Experiences are nothing without the people you're with, and I'm not trying to sound cheesy, but they're not, so...
You should write it on a card, shouldn't we?
Yeah, we're definitely doing it for each other and trying to finish on one big positive note with hopefully a qualification for Euros.
Looking ahead to Thursday, I know we're all excited, so I don't know how you feel.
Yeah, I've been told to try and embrace it and enjoy it as much as I can, and I will do my best. If anything, maybe after it's over, I'll be able to kind of look back and kind of pinch myself and say, yeah, that actually happened. But hopefully, if anything, my parents can enjoy it, my family and friends watching more than I will, because I'll be cringing, and I know you'll be laughing at me because, you know, I hate these moments. But I am really, really grateful just to be stood out there with you girls, so I'm looking forward to it.
Okay, one last one. Any advice for someone very young that wants to aspire to be the next Loren Dykes?
Don't aspire to be me. No, I think you'd probably agree with this as well. Like, you're born with a certain amount of ability, but it's what you do with it. Like, it's as much about passion and kind of having a reason for doing it than it is about ability. So for me, that's massive. So I would say to any kid, just if you're passionate about something and you want it enough and you enjoy it enough, just keep doing it and just try to be the best you can be. Thank you very much, Loren Dykes. Thank you very much,
History
Natasha.
maker. A pleasure.
You did well. Good.